Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be sharing about how you can homeschool your kids at home. I know that we all are going through this pandemic situation. It hasn't been easy for any of us, so today I'll be sharing few tips that you can work on while homeschooling your kids. So the first thing is you have to have a schedule. Make sure you keep yourself organized and make sure that you are writing down whatever you're teaching your kids every day. Second thing, make sure you have a good curriculum. If you don't have a curriculum with you, you can easily search it on YouTube. It's easily available for every grade. So make sure you have a good curriculum you're following according to their age and their class. Second thing, that you need to have a good environment. Make an environment like a school environment for them. Have a table and desk and chair for them, books around them, their toys, according the activities that you need to do with them. Have all of that around them so that they can learn and be interested at what you want to teach them. So having these things will make your homeschooling and make your children learn more things differently every day. So yeah, these are the tips that I have for you today. So if I have new things that I try with my kids, inshallah I'll share them with you in my next video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you leave a comment under my video. So I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.